Tehillim 34. By David, when he pretended to be insane before Avimelech, who drove him away, and he departed. I will bless Yahuwah at all times. His praise will always be in my mouth. My soul shall boast in Yahuwah. The humble shall hear of it and be glad. O magnify Yahuwah with me. Let us exalt his name together. I sought Yahuwah, and he answered me, and delivered me from all my fears. They looked to him and were radiant. Their faces shall never be covered with shame. This poor man cried, and Yahuwah heard him, and saved him out of all his troubles. Malach Yahuwah encamps around those who fear him, and delivers them. O taste and see that Yahuwah is good. Blessed is the man who takes refuge in him. O fear Yahuwah, you his saints, for there is no lack with those who fear him. The young lions do lack and suffer hunger, but those who seek Yahuwah shall not lack any good thing. Come, you children, listen to me. I will teach you the fear of Yahuwah. Who is someone who desires life and loves many days that he may see good? Keep your tongue from evil, and your lips from speaking lies. Depart from evil and do good. Seek shalom and pursue it. Yahuwah's eyes are toward the righteous. His ears listen to their cry. Yahuwah's face is against those who do evil, to cut off their memory from the earth. The righteous cry, and Yahuwah hears, and delivers them out of all their troubles. Yahuwah is near to those who have a broken heart, and saves those who have a crushed spirit. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but Yahuwah delivers him out of them all. He protects all of his bones. Not one of them is broken. Evil shall kill the wicked. Those who hate the righteous shall be condemned. Yahuwah redeems the soul of his servants. None of those who take refuge in him shall be condemned.